Hello guys, introducing my name is Nili Romatul Uma, study program Islamic Banking Regular 2 Semester 2, Nahdlatul Ulama Islamic University Jepara. Here I will present about the existence of Sharia banking and domestic credit study in 7 countries. The existence of Islamic banking and domestic credit, a study on 7 countries. This paper examines in reality the determinants of domestic credit in 7 countries. These are the United Kingdom, Malaysia, Egypt, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and Indonesia. What are the primary factors that determine the level of domestic credit in developing countries? Answering this question is an important case, especially considering that most countries using Islamic economies have not experienced a severe credit boom in the last 10 years. Indeed, the influence of domestic credit on economic activity and financial stability is well documented, taking into account the experience of banking and financial crises in various places, but has had a major impact in the world of Islamic banking. In the case of a domestic credit system, the term domestic credit refers to loans or credit provided by the central bank of a country or region to borrowers in the same region. Funding and discussion. When the exchange rate depreciates, the price of imported goods will rise as a result. Domestic credit will fall according to the rules of demand. If the price of goods increases, demand will decrease. This result is supported by McKinsey 2016, who cited that the exchange rate has a positive effect on the volatility of return and return, respectively. Where bank returns are based on credit, logically the more credit lends, the more return they have. To our knowledge, if bank interest rates are high, credit extends to the private sector will be low, because consumer will not like high loan interest rates. This result is reinforced by Gosgore output of reality explaining that loan interest rate is systematically and positively contribute to the expansion of domestic credit. In addition, Suh 2007 find that the current credit level depends negatively on the required future path according to the real interest rate, and that makes credit to the private sector lower. In other words, if there is a credit crisis, it will decrease and vice versa. Our results show that when Islamic banking start their business in countries, domestic credit by countries will be higher by 1,121858% of GDP than vice versa. Conclusion. This paper examines in reality the determinant of domestic credit in various 7 countries. These are the United Kingdom, Malaysia, Egypt, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and Indonesia. During the period 1990 to 2014, we asked the technique of moving forward panel data forecasting to examine the impact of exchange rates, inflation, loan interest rate, banking crisis, and the existence of wholesale Islamic banking on domestic credit to the private sector by bank. We investigate panel exams, and the best examples to describe the determinant of domestic credit to the private sector are examples of wide impact. We obtained several important related results. First, the related results show that loan interest rates, banking crisis contribute negatively and insignificantly to domestic credit to the private sector by bank. Private sector by bank, inflation contribution negatively and significantly to domestic credit to the private sector by bank. Second, the demi variable, the banking crisis and the existence of wholesale Islamic banking saw an insignificant impact on domestic credit to the private sector by bank. Is a banking crisis and the existence of wholesale Islamic banking put an insignificant disparity on domestic credit to the private sector, rather than vice versa. Using the autoregressive model, we find that domestic credit to the private sector by bank today is dependent on domestic credit to the private sector by bank a year ago. That's all I can say. More or less sorry. Thank you. See you soon.